Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. Now to get started, you will need to grab a cable and plug it into your computer, and then simply connect it to your device. We don't need to allow access, so you can just select deny. Next, you want to turn off your phone, and when the screen goes black, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. In a moment, you will see the Samsung logo show up on the screen, and after like 1 more second, it will appear with Galaxy under that, at which point you want to let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. There we go. And as you can see, this will take us to the recovery mode. In here we can use volume buttons to navigate down or up depending on which one you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with that in mind, let's quickly go over the options that we have access to. So we have a reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, apply updates from A to B or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. As you can see, there is no longer option for fast boot mode or bootloader or anything like that, because Samsung just likes to remove features. Anyway, I'm gonna select the first one, confirm it with the power button, and like I mentioned before, this will now take me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.